With billions of mobile devices around the world, the demand for and use of mobile devices is high. As more new devices are released to the market to meet this demand, software engineers need to develop apps for them. As you can imagine, purchasing different types of devices to test these apps is not practical. That's where emulators come in. In this video, you will learn more about emulators, their purpose, as well as the types of emulators available. So, what exactly is an emulator? An emulator is a computer program that's designed to imitate another kind of device. While different types of emulators have unique ways of operating, the overall goal remains the same: replicating the experience of the original hardware or software. By mimicking the behavior of mobile devices, emulators allow you to test how your apps will run on the devices you have designed them for, without having to install them on the actual physical devices. For example, if you are an Apple user and you want to run an app specifically designed for a Windows computer, you will need to use an emulator. Emulation does, however, require high computing resources in most cases. This means that if you are going to use an emulator on your machine, it's important to make sure there's enough storage space and random access memory, or RAM, available for it to run effectively. And what types of emulators are available to you? There are several commercial and open source emulators available for most of the operating systems in the market. For example, emulators like BlueStacks, which is a popular and free emulator, allow you to run Android apps on operating systems like Mac and Windows. Another example is Appetize.io, a browser-based emulator that allows you to use iOS applications on any PC. Aside from running apps, some emulators even make gaming possible. For example, Super Nintendo Entertainment System, or SNES, classic console emulators allow gamers to play old video games on modern HD televisions. You should now have more insight into emulator software, what emulators do, and the different types of emulators available to you. Later, you'll learn how to configure and create an emulator in Android Studio, which will allow you to simulate your own project app.